Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll learn how to recover deleted file in VS Code. Right. Multiple options are there. If you are using Git version control, using this Git version control, you can restore your file. That is the one option. Okay. Right. That another option is by mistake, you are deleting file from your Visual Studio Code. For example, see, right click, I am deleting this file. Okay, you can remove that and simply you can go to that location where you removed the file. You can just press Ctrl Z. The file is available. Okay, even though if you are deleting from your recycle bin, then press Shift Delete. The file should be deleted from recycle also. See, the file is deleted from your recycle bin also, right? If you press Ctrl Z, you can see the file again here. There is the option. One more option is there. For example, if you want to recover the file based on that time, okay, for example, what modification you done that file, you want to reward that, you want to reward the changes, or you want to recover the file from that particular date, you can do this one. Simply, you can go to the view, command palette. In the command palette, you can type local history. Local history. Find entry to restore. You can click that one. You can search a file, which file you want to restore or which file you want to revert. Then you can go to the 1.js. We are in a 9:30 a.m. Just to go and scroll down that one, 9:30 a.m. folder. Go to there, you can find your 9:30 a.m. See, you can click that. It show the all modification you done. It show the particular time. Okay, wherever you want, you can just go and you can click that one. You can restore your file. For example, I just go that and I just restore that file. Like that, you can restore your file from Visual Studio Code. Okay, if you are using version control, you can just go and you can restore from a version control, or by mistakenly you delete a file, you can just press Ctrl Z, it should be restored the file. Or you want to go to the particular version of a file, for example before 2 days, whatever the code is available, I want to restore that. Then you can go to the view. In the view, you can go to the command palette. In the command palette, you can type local history. Find entry to restore. You can click that one and type your file, which file you want to. Then you can go to the specific folder. Okay, here I'm just going to the 9:30 a.m. Just to go to that file, see the changes. When we are doing a changes in that file 1.js, you can see that all timing. If you want to go to the particular one, okay, February 7, then you can click that one. You can see the changes here. Like that, you can restore your file from your Visual Studio Code. Please like and share and comment for this video. Thank you for watching.